Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Today I am going to be bringing you guys my February favorites. So if you'd like to see what those are, then keep on watching. So let's address the elephant in the room. I am still sick. If you noticed that I was gone for a week, I apologize. I had the full-on flu. I can easily say though that February so far, I know there have only been 2 months of this new year, but February has played me. I got bit by a damn dog, got the flu the week of my birthday, so no real birthday celebrations actually happened. Kind of over it, but this month, for being the shortest month of the year, this month really packed a wallop. So there is goodness to this video though, and that's what I'm bringing you right now. So let's get started. The first thing this month that I have been absolutely loving is pinky eyeshadow palettes. I think it's because I dyed my hair. Honestly, every time I dye my hair, I like thumb through my makeup collection and I'm like, all right, what eyeshadows go with my hair? So I've been absolutely loving the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. Obviously, this is like a fan favorite. I love this palette. You probably love this palette. I mean, come on, like this is just a really universal, stunning palette. I have taken this on shoots multiple times. No one is ever mad to see this pop up, and it is without a doubt like my most versatile eyeshadow palette. Every skin tone looks stunning in it. Just beautiful. I'm wearing it on my eyes today. It's a favorite of life, but especially of February. An honorable mention palette is one that I really didn't like when I first got it, and I now can't figure out how that's possible because I literally use it every single day. I'm not using Modern Renaissance, I'm using the NABLA Dreamy palette, and oh my god, this palette is freaking stunning. Number one, like, the packaging is beautiful, and number two, this is absolutely cruelty-free and vegan. The Modern Renaissance is not vegan, so some of these eyeshadows have carmine in them, so while it is cruelty-free and an amazing option, the NABLA Dreamy palette is absolutely vegan, and that's really hard sometimes to find, like these really bright pinky reddish eyeshadow tones. So if you haven't tried out the NABLA Dreamy palette, I really encourage you to do it. They keep selling out of it, and for a good reason. It's really stunning. The pigmentation level is like, okay, like she's not messing around. I swear this is the last product I'm going to mention in this video regarding my hair color, but I have been loving pinks, and I'm not a pink girl. Like, looking at me, even though I have this hair color, like I'm not a pink girl. But I've been loving the Studded Kiss Kat Von D lipstick in the color Lovecraft. It's just like a really beautiful muted beige pink, and it's not like a Barbie pink whatsoever, and patted into the lips with some lip balm or just on its own. It's so stunning. I absolutely love this color. I love the Studded Kiss cream formula. So nice. If you haven't tried the new formula, please go check it out, because when they say that they reformulated it, I was like, oh, well, it's already pretty good. Like, I don't know. It's creamier, it glides on, it sits so well on the lips, it doesn't settle into any lines, and you can't always be wearing a liquid lipstick. Like, there are days for that. Today is one of them, clearly, but like sometimes you just cannot do it. Another favorite this month have been the M.O.T.D vegan and cruelty-free brush set. This is the vegan eye brush set, and oh my god, I mean, they're all filthy. I want you to be able to see, like, they're all really used and kind of crazy colored, and that is because these eyeshadow brushes are some of the best that I've ever had. A lot of my really nice, like, MAC brushes that I got, you know, years and years ago are falling apart, and I kind of have to wonder, like, why? Because they're perfectly nice higher end brushes. But these are like very tight, nice ferrules, gorgeous rose gold. It came in this very adorable little vegan leather rose gold package. If you haven't tried M.O.T.D brushes, I have a discount code. It is an affiliate discount code down below, but it saves you 15% off, and that code is JEZKA. I will leave that down below if you want to check them out, but oh my gosh, really beautiful. worth taking a look. The last two favorites of the month have been very beneficial to the glow that I have in my face. And the first one is a skincare product, and this is the DERMA Radiant Glow Face Oil, and this has jojoba, argan, and sea buckthorn oils in it. This oil is absolutely beautiful. The way that you can use this, obviously you can like drip some into your foundation, and I do that a lot in the winter because my skin is desert dry. But another way to use face oils is as your last step in your skincare routine, which is what I end up doing every night. And I just take a couple drops of this oil in my palms, rub my hands together, and press it into my skin, and it just feels so luxurious and so amazing. And every day when I wake up, my skin is glowing. And I think that if you're a little bit hesitant to try an oil because you don't want your skin to feel more oily, there are so many oils out there that do not make your skin more oily. They really sink in. And if you're hesitant, you know, lean on using less oil and work your way into more. But I don't mind going to bed with an oily face because I wake up and my skin drinks that up. DERMA, if you haven't tried anything from them, they are absolutely fantastic. All totally vegan products and obviously cruelty-free. The last product is one that I feel like I've spoken so much about that I shouldn't talk about it, but at the same time I don't know if I've actually ever properly talked about it, if that makes any sense. I've only showed you that I'm using it, and that is the OFRA highlighter in the color Glazed Donut. And now I'm feeling like I did talk about this before. This is a collaboration with OFRA and Nikki Tutorials. I'm not like terribly fussed over Nikki, but I'm fussed over this highlighter. It is so beautiful, so pigmented. Like one little swipe in there, like this is just such a frosty white color. Like it's just so metallic. I'm wearing it on my cheeks really subtly buffed in today. Whatever I'm wearing, like even if I'm wearing something totally different, like another highlighter, there is some of this mixed into it just because it offers the most reflective, like beautiful sheen to the skin. If you use too much, it definitely sits on top of the skin, but if you really buff it in, it looks so stunning, so magical, and you just look like a glowing princess. If this is not your color, they have Glow Getter and Glow Goals, which are like a more champagne bronze and then like a true bronze. I just recommend that you try the formula. It is super buttery and super pigmented. You need almost none of it. And there is a lot of kick up, which maybe not be great for travel, but I still absolutely love this highlighter and I will never be without it. So those were my favorites for the month of February. Short and sweet like February is normally. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below letting me know any of your favorites of the past month. Let me know if we have any favorites in common. And don't forget to check out my social media links down below as well because I update those daily. I hope you're all having an amazing day and I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye.